Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could enable or turn on Windows Cloud Delivery Protection. This gives you maximum security and gives you maximum protection against viruses. If you have Windows Edition 7, 8, 10, or 11, they are all having this application. All what you need to do, go to your search tab and type Windows Security. You will see the application appearing. Just click on it to open. The next step, on the left panel, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Next step, scroll down to the bottom. You will see Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings just below it. Next step, you want to click under Cloud Delivered Protection. Click on On. Windows will ask you under User Account Control if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just click Yes. Once enabled, make sure that you are connected to the internet so that you get an increased and faster protection with access to the latest protection data in the cloud. It works best with automatic sample submission turned on, which is just below it, and you need also to turn it on. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still facing issues or having problems, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, then press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.